Welcome to I Have the Power Query. When you have an Excel problem that you need to solve quickly, there's Quick Query. Want to copy a table from the internet quickly and without all the wrong formatting? No problem with Power Query. If this is your first time to Power Query, we've got a Power Query 101 playlist ready and waiting for you. Make sure you subscribe so you'll never miss our tips on using Excel with Power. We usually start off in an Excel workbook, but today I'm going to Wikipedia. This is a really cool looking table that I want to copy to Excel to play with. Scrolling down the table, I can see that only the sovereign states have been ranked. What happens when I try to copy that table? Not great. Flag icons, hyperlinks, and footnotes. It'll take ages to clean up. Let's try pasting just the contents. Better, no flag or hyperlinks, but still all the footnotes. Go back to the web page and copy the URL. Then in Excel, go to Data and select From Web. This dialog box appears. Paste in the URL and press OK. This window appears, making sure you are allowed to access the web page. If you can see the web page from your browser, you have access rights. Select Anonymous and click Connect. This is a list of the tables from the web page. We're interested in the second table. Just press Load. Instead, click Transform Data to bring up the Power Query window. Look at the top and the bottom of the table, an extra header row and a total row. We don't want either of these. Under Home, come up to Remove Top Rows and enter 1. Then remove bottom rows and enter 1 again. Only the sovereign states were ranked, but I want everyone to be ranked. Right-click on Rank and remove Column. Come up to Add Column, go to Index Column and From 1. Click and drag it over to the first column. Change the data types, whole number for population, percentage for percentage of world population, and date for date. Remember, in Power Query, you are setting the data type, not the formatting. Up to Home, close and load to. Put it on a new worksheet. And here is our table. No flags, no footnotes, I just need to tidy up the formatting. Now for the icing on the cake. Once you've set up the Power Query, you don't even need to open the website again. Data, refresh all, and watch as in the space of one day, the population of China increases by over 14,000. And that's a quick query, quickly and cleanly importing a table from the internet. And it's refreshable at the click of a button. Check out the 101 series to learn more about Power Query.